Hi everyone. So in this particular video, we will be talking about this Terraform import command, and we will see how it can be utilized. So before going with the Terraform import, what we will do, we will create a few of the infrastructure with the help of the Terraform, and one infrastructure we will create with the help of AWS console here. So what we will do, we will launch the VPC, subnets, route tables, internet gateway, everything with the help of the Terraform. And it will have, of course, the Terraform state file on the local system. Either you can store on the S3 bucket or on the local. So right now I'll be storing all the state file on this local only. And then with the help of this infrastructure, I'll be creating one AWS EC2 instance manually. Yeah, correct. And that demo instance will be created manually, or the test instance, whatever the name we want, we will be having that. And then I will import the state file for that particular instance and in our local state file. Okay, so let's do that thing. So I will just open up my terminal here. So we are basically focused on writing the Terraform import command and seeing the use case of that Terraform import. So I'm doing Terraform init here. And from the configurations part, you can see I do have this VPC, one public subnet, one route table, and internet gateway. And in the providers.tf, we do have the credentials as usual, what we use, correct? So let's get into the Terraform plan. Terraform plan. And then we will do the Terraform apply to create infrastructure of our AWS account. So you will see a plan 4 to it. So one VPC, one public subnet, one internet gateway, one route table will be created. Right, so let's do the Terraform apply here. Terraform apply or type of. So it will create all these resources which are mentioned here. And once these resources will be created, we will be creating one public EC2 machine with the help of AWS console. So 4 has been added. Let's get into the VPC console. Let me refresh. Demo VPC has been created. One public subnet should be created. One public subnet, one route table, and one internet gateway. Okay, let's get into the EC2. I'll be clicking on this. Let me create one test EC2. Back to the video. So I was creating this particular EC2 instance, test EC2. And for that, I'll be having the configuration. Keep here, I'll be selecting the demo key. And from the networking perspective, I'll be selecting the VPC. That will be demo underscore VPC. And then the public subnet and the IP address, I'll be selecting the enable. And then the security group, I'll be having the same launch widget, or that's it. Going with the default configuration, click on the launch. So this particular server has been created, correct? Let's get into the EC2. Let me refresh. So you can see test EC2 has been created. Now let's check into the state file. So in the Terraform tf.state file, you will see there is an internet gateway, then there is a route table, then there is a public subnet, this one, and then there is a VPC. Right now it does not have any EC2, correct? Let me get into the terminal now, and we will do the Terraform import here. So I will be writing Terraform import, then which kind of resource it is. It is instance. So for that I will have to write resource block as well here. So I will write one resource block, resource AWS instance, because we have to import for the AWS instance. I'll be giving the name as server, this simple server, and no configuration. That's it, blank configuration, Control S. And here I'll be writing Terraform import AWS instance and the alias what I have given. So I've given server, so I'll be writing server, and then ID of that particular instance. So that is 08 ending with D. So let me paste it over here. That's it. Now it should import the state file for that particular EC2 instance in the local state file. So you can see AWS instance import successful. Now let's get into the state file. Let me cross this. And on the top, you can see the managed mode and the AWS instance that has been imported. Correct? AMI, ARN, episode1c, the availability zone where particular state instance has been launched. So right now, every configuration it does have for the state file itself. So this is how you can write your Terraform import command to import any of the infrastructure what we have not created through the Terraform. Correct? And that my infrastructure you can manage through the help of Terraform because you now you do have the state file for that particular resource. Correct? So that's the use case of Terraform import. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet in the next one.